Okay guys, hello guys. It's me Ian. Why I'm look like different? Because I have a haircut now. And we have a new robot next. Two robot neck. No, only one robot neck. In the one robot neck, it is just the update. Little bit. Okay, go. Okay guys, I have a new update. Boom. Super cool. Don't you say it look like tough? It look like tall. You have to know he's a lot more taller than him. I told you. And I have an update for that. And look, first time is this. Ooh, it's super cool. And this is his. And you have to know these two guys. Pretty good team guys. They are pretty good team, guys. This is pretty good team. And look, guys, this is his friend. And what is the update of this? Okay, look. And look at the back. Look at it. I just forgot I will add this. And look, the legs. It's super cool, guys. It turn back. Get out of here. And guys, why it look like so different? Just look in the back. Had some items, and I just forgot. Oh shoot! Look, guys, it's super cool. And look at this. He has that antenna. It's super cool. He have no update. Look, I just update the legs because I have no ball joints. But I will break it and make a new one. For this one, bro. Okay. And don't you want to subscribe to my channel? Just please subscribe. Or I will be angry forever for you guys. Because my one short because no subscribe it's not more than. Bro. Bye bye.